Welcome to another day on Earth, finding beauty in everyday moments with Studio 123. You already know we're all about finding the beauty in every moment and making the most of life's adventures. From unforgettable events to hidden gems,
Wow, look at this place.
local festivals, I'm here to bring you even more of the experiences that make life exciting.
That's pretty cool.
I want to thank you for being a part of this journey. Your support means the world. So let's get ready for new vlogs that dive deeper, explore farther, and celebrate life to the fullest.
Let's get the birthday boy.
Let's keep making amazing memories together. So come on, let's go.
You guys alright?